Hello, and welcome back to the second episode of DataVis Bitesize. These really short little snippets, your data visualization thought for the day, if you like, to think about different aspects of producing effective graphs, effective charts that really do help others understand the information and make the right decision. As I shared in the first episode, I'm basing each of these on a series of prompter cards that are shared by a chap called John Schwabish, who produces the PolicyViz podcast. Now, today's prompter card is this one called Back to Basics. This is in the set DataVis Play Your Cards Right, so lots of fun there. And what we're talking about in this card is the idea of keeping it simple. To the most basic, do you even need a chart? Do you have enough numbers or data points to justify producing a graph, or are you producing, if you like, spurious accuracy or spurious level of detail where it would be clearer just to provide the numbers themselves? A funny thing to say, it seems these days, it's like we all want to be producing more and more wonderful data visualizations. But if it's about communication, if it's about clarity and getting your message across, sometimes just putting the numbers in front of people is even more effective. And I said that in each of these, I would also be providing a positive example. So how can we take the prompt that John has given us there to keep things as simple as possible and think about opportunities where using just the numbers might be effective? And here's a quick example. So it's an example of information about poverty, sadly, in the world, that we're suddenly hit square between the eyes there there are 7.4 billion people in the world and 74 million of them are starving. And it's as effective putting those scale of numbers in front of people as it could ever be thinking about trying to put them in some chart that then gives a level of abstraction, a level of complexity that people have to read. So that's the DataVis thought for today. In episode 1, we thought about the words as well as the numbers. Here in episode 2, do you even need a chart or graph? Or would presenting really clearly with nice big font, maybe in bold as well, the numbers themselves, would that be as effective? That's DataVis Bite Size for today. Have a good day, and I hope it helps you improve your DataVis communication.